Hi, I have the Averatec computer. I like this because it's in between a netbook and a laptop. It's good size, and I can close this, this here. So far it's doing good, and it's pretty clear picture. So we're gonna change the memory on this. First thing I did is I turned it on. I pull this out. This DVD here on the left side. It has to be out, to do it. All you need is this screwdriver here. It's like small Phillips. So what we're gonna do is actually unplug everything here. A whole bunch of I'm using this speaker here, which is really good. The Logitech, really good sound. Made it sound a lot better. Anyway, so I unplug all this. Unplug the power, of course. I unplug the Ethernet. If I can put it there. Now, once it's out, it's really nice, the chrome stuff here. Let me get it closer. Then I need some light, actually. Okay, that's better. Some more lights. Okay, good. So what it is this one here. This is two screws here. You can see it's in the middle. What you do is this one holds the DVD, the optic drive. So the thing is, you carry there's a hole there, if you don't do it right. And then I got this. Normally, I put something. Anyways, let me see here. Otherwise, I'll lose it. Okay, here. This is good. I put it here, Anyways. And then another one, there's two of them. This is the one that holds the DVD drive. See, if you didn't open it in the first place, you won't even be able to take it out, because it's locked in. So now it's A-okay. What we do is we pull it out. I'll kind of play around with it. It should come out. There you go. See? Kind of play around with it. Just like how many screws is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 screws. You don't have to take out the screw. You just unscrew it. Just leave it inside. Okay, so maybe I should get this camera closer here. This is an iPhone, actually. Got a tripod on it. So you take it out, unscrew it, I mean. It's really easy. Okay, you unscrew it. This fourth thing here, don't touch that. I mean, that's the stuff that you can use to hook it up on the wall. Anyways, okay. So we got that one. We kind of play around with it and see if we got all the stuff out, unscrewed. No, probably not. It's not as unscrewed. Play around with it again. Okay, this one is not. Okay, there you go. What I do is I put it right on top of this here. Screws is in there, Anyway, there's a cover here. The memory is inside right here somewhere. And you can see this top here has 2 screws here. So basically you have to slide it. See that there's nothing that holds it here, so this should slide over there. Yeah, slide out. Yeah, slide out, yeah. So we'll do it this way. So this one moves this way to what it is don't touch the screws here. You don't need to. Don't touch those. You just have to unscrew this one on top, and 2 here, right here. 2 right here. See, 1, 2. So only 4 screws. All right. So don't touch anything else. You just need those. Of course, touch the metal for static. So I'm unscrewing this. This is not a magnetized screwdriver, so I kind of hold it while unscrewing it so it doesn't drop inside. Otherwise, you can look for it here very carefully. Okay, good. That's one. It's the second one on this side. Okay, that's 2. Okay, you can see how important this one is. You can rotate it, no problem. Okay, you can screw that one and the last one here. 4. Now it has had a base speed of 4 on that 1 gigabyte. I went to price and it was more expensive, so I bought this from, what's this company? Crucial. Crucial, pretty good. The last one I bought has like almost 7.4 speed, so I like that. So I don't know how fast this one is going to be, while most of those single prices are like 4.2, 4.4, you know, whatever it is. Don't touch that. Those are for the buttons. So you can see this. So this one is not hooking up there, so you know you have to push it the other way, right? So we're gonna pull it, or however you want to do it. If I didn't forget to take out, there you go. See, easy, huh? Okay. Now you got the memory here. It's important that you put this right, you know, otherwise it's not gonna boot up. You can see here, how do I see this? This one, my key here is this one here, this one that, the metal thing, the curve corresponds to that curve, right? Okay, although this one here, this is the one that holds it, the curve here should correspond to that curve when you put it back in. And you can see this, how thin it is. It looks like it's 2, there's only 1, right? This is 1 gig, I'm putting in 1. So you just push it out, take that out, you put it down there. When you got this one, okay, now how the heck is it?